Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Here this is the TTP223 touch sensor, and here this is a BC547 transistor. So here in this video I'm gonna show you how to control AC load or DC loads with this touch sensor. So for that here I'm using a transistor to drive the 5-volt relay. So the relay can be used to drive any kind of load. Now here I am connecting the ground pin of the module with emitter of the transistor, and the signal pin which is the connected to the base of the transistor. So here you can see the collector pin of the transistor is connected to the coil pin of the relay, and it can be connected to any pin of the relay coil pin. So after this, here I am connecting a diode, also called a flyback diode. So it will block the back EMF or feedback voltage to destroy the touch sensor or transistor. And after this, here the yellow wire which connected to the VCC input of the touch sensor. So the other pin of the relay will connect to this 5-volt positive. And after this, here the circuit is done. And for the testing, the 3.7-volt battery is connected to the module, and after this the touching the relay is activating. So for the testing of the load like DC motor and LED, I am connecting a positive volt of a 12-volt battery to the common pin, and taken output from the normally open pin of the relay and common negative. So you can see when I touch the sensor, so the motor starts rotating. So this is the first mode of this touch sensor, in which when you touch the sensor, so it will activate the output or active high as in the output. So for the seconding or for the using of the second mode, we have to connect the pin number 5 and 6 of the IC. So the IC is 6 pin, and you can see I have connecting the pin number 5, which is the VCC input of the module, and pin number 6. So after this, here in this mode the toggle mode is activated. So when I touch the touch sensor, so the relay activates until I again touch the sensor. So this way you can control the AC appliance as well, instead of using this small 12-volt motor and 12-volt battery. So here also I have testing this 12-volt LED strip. Now the positive and negative will connected to the LED strip respectively, and as you can see the touch sensor is working very smoothly and very perfect for home automation like projects and smart circuits. So thanks for watching, and I'll see in the next video.